so cute in the hat. Look like a little doll. Look at her OTD. Wow, she's cute. You just bought a Chanel bag. You shouldn't have enough bags for him.
It's only $2,000. It's cheap. It's over here. Oh my god. Precious, right? They have a stripe for crossbody too. Be careful. This not. This one is only one side, but we have it bigger sometime, but it's softer. It's so pretty. Oh, just a moment, okay? I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
I'm here at Eddie's house. We're gonna make nachos today to celebrate. It's been one whole year without smoking cigarettes. So he's living a new healthy lifestyle, feeling a lot better. And I just wanted to congratulate him for not smoking cigarettes for a whole year now. This is how you make homemade nachos. Here we got the Angus ground chuck beef being sauteed with onion, added with spice. This is the spice I'm using, taco and this is homemade taco meats.
The crunchy tacos?
If you buy these, like this amount of tacos at Taco Bell, it costs maybe $20.
Tacos, Taco Bell, I can make 25 tacos at home. Fresh, homemade.
For the same price as 10.
Yes, yeah. But even if it costs the same price, but you made it.
It looks like Eddie plans to make some baked nachos with the authentic restaurant style tortilla chips, chopped onion, the cheese, fresh lettuce and tomato. I see you put black olives, onion,
Kidney beans, red beans, and the lettuce makes it crunchy. We're just gonna drench it with cheese and salsa.
Wow, you use such a small cutting board. I don't know how you can do that. I have a hard time. I have a bigger cutting board, and I still think I need a bigger one.
I used to use a big one, but Netta, she always does the small one.
I think the bigger one is more convenient because you can chop so much and you don't have to keep emptying the cutting board. So do you only use one type of knife when you cook?
Yeah, but I have a big selection there, but this is the one I use for everything. It's a gimmick, man. They just want you buy more stuff. You don't go buy like a set. Here they buy a set, a nice set, and they put it in a drawer. They never use it. They don't know how to use it. Yeah. They just have a set. How does it look so far?
What are some other options for toppings?
Avocados. I got a bunch of tomatoes that are fixing to go bad.
Oh, really? Do you have a food processor?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I'll make the salsa now, actually. We're done making the homemade nachos. They're looking really good. And we also have homemade salsa. So how do you get the nachos? Do you usually do it by hand or?
Me and my kids will just eat like that.
Oh, I see.
The same goddamn thing. That's what God made hands to eat with.
Man, this beer is good. I haven't had a Modelo Black in a long time.
Cheers. This is Egyptian Modelo.